Earlier, breathing was such a default process that we never thought that we have to do it consciously. Hi, this is Rajesh and welcome to my YouTube channel Wellness Journey, where today I will talk about something which is very important for those people who are in the quarantine or in the home isolation. That is very important for all the people who are available on this planet Earth. But in this pandemic situation, I have designed these kind of things specifically for those people who are really very conscious and really very desperate to know that what are the things that I need to do to keep ourselves safe. So here we go. There are basically three categories of people I can segregate. One who is having no symptom at all, but still they want to keep themselves safe from the COVID-19 situation. There are other category of people which I can keep in the mild category, means they believe that they have got infected but they are not sure about it and they are not ready to test themselves, because testing is causing a lot of worry for those people, but they believe that they should keep themselves in the isolation so that they cannot infect others. This way they are saving themselves and they are also saving others in their family. But there are third category of people who are severely infected. Correct? So I am thinking that those two categories which are having no symptom and those who are having mild symptoms should get impacted with these videos. So what are the things that we can do, that we can start with when we are having no symptom and when we are having mild symptoms? So as I said earlier in my videos, that breathing was something which was not consciously planned for any human being, because it was a very default process. But now in this pandemic situation, you need to be very cautious about breathing, because breathing technique will help to boost your immune system. Breathing technique will help to empower your lungs, and this is what is requirement of today. So I will teach you certain breathing technique which you can do in some interval while you are in isolation, and you will feel good in yourself, and you can also judge in yourself that whether you should visit doctor, whether you should go for the hospitalization or not. So what are those? I will describe all the breathing technique one by one in my coming section. The very first technique that will check the sort of your breathlessness. It means whether your breathing capacity is good or not, whether your holding capacity of your breath is good or not. If it is not, then you have to increase it, and you have to increase it by holding your breath by 25 to 30 seconds. If it is not increasing, it means you are getting infected in your lungs, and you need to do certain kind of test to check it out that what is the capacity your lung has got infected. What we need to do for that? You just need to inhale, and then you have to hold your breath for certain period of times, and then slowly and steadily you have to increase it. Here is the example. So inhale it from your nose and exhale it from your mouth. I have done it for few seconds for yourself, but you can do it for 25, 30, whatever amount of second that is possible for you. So this is the first exercise which will check your short of breath. Second exercise that you can start with just by breathing in. While breathing in, move your shoulder up, hold it for a few seconds, and then while breathing out, put it down. So you can start with these two breathing exercise, and I'll suggest you certain more in my coming videos. So till the time, bye bye, take care of yourself and keep commenting